Want to show you this cool compact dishwasher. This is it up against my foot so you can see how wide it is. I'm a size 8, by the way. It's not very big at all, but it is super effective. You've got the handle right there. Pull it on out, and plenty of room for all the things that you need. It's really, really nice, especially if you've got a super small space, but you want to be able to have all the benefits of a dishwasher. You can put lids on here, cups, whatever you've got going on really, really easily. Same with here, dishes, your silverware rack. Super simple to use, easy peasy. You just put your little pod and soap in there and close it up, push your buttons, and you can do heavy, light, auto sense, sanitize, whatever. Super simple to use and nice and quiet as well.